Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove Netflix continue watching on TV or PC. So here I've already opened the Netflix app on my computer. You can start by choosing the profile, and then you can just on the Netflix homepage in here, you can just scroll down, find the continue watching list or section. And then you can just choose the movies or shows that you want to remove from the continue watching list. You can just go like this, and there will be this pop-up.
도착 후 10일간
So if you want to remove it from your
도착 후
continue
10일간
watching list,
우리는
you
양양에
can just click on this cross
도착 후
icon to
10일간
remove it
우리는
from
양양의 상황을
row
지켜보기 위해
from
버려진
the
건물에 숨어 있었다.
continue watching
열흘
row.
동안 우리
Click
뭐
on that. And here you can choose a reason why you want to remove that shows or movies, and after that it will be removed from the continue watching. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.